Hi guys, it's Tomasz here. Today I want to show you how we did Facebook remarketing to get pretty decent ROAS in one of our customers' accounts. At first I will go through this presentation. It will take 2-3 minutes, and then I will show you a live account of our customer. So let's dive into it. So here is the results. We spent on advertising about $1,000 and we got about $12,000 in revenue. This campaign at the bottom is the Dynamic Remarketing. The top one is called Dynamic Prospecting ad. We did also a good ROAS here. It's almost 5, but I will talk about this kind of prospecting in the next video. So what is the problem with Facebook remarketing? We and our customer see too many ads on Facebook and Instagram, same ads on the different stage of the funnel, and seeing ads even after we purchase. I think we all been there, that you purchase something and see ads even after 1 month after you did the purchase. So how to do remarketing to crush it? The main thing in my opinion, and it worked for our customers, that is to segment people based on their behavior on their website in e-commerce store. You want to serve different ads for people who visited your website only, for example homepage, different kind of advertising for people who visited product page, who almost purchased, so did events like add to cart or initiate checkout, and you want to serve different ads for people who purchased. So what type of advertising you should show to the people who only visited your homepage? In our opinion, and it's based on our experience, you should serve something like value content, educational content. It depends on the type of the brand you run. Most popular products, it's always good to them. If it's bestseller, it's highly possible that this person gonna at least visit the product page or buy it. You can also ask for the small conversion, like subscribe to the mailing list. It's always something. This customer gonna show a small engagement, and it's good to convince them to do it. How to do remarketing? The people who visited your product page, you want to show them, of course, images of products this person visited. You want to show this product in use. So if you have lifestyle product, it's good to show them. And also you can show them ads with testimonials. You can use app like Looks to connect it to Shopify and show them in dynamic remarketing ads. What kind of content to show to the people who did the big conversion like add to cart or initiate checkout? At the beginning you should start with the gentle reminder that you left something in your basket or something similar. But if this person won't convert, you could try to use some incentives in exchange of purchase. So for example, you can offer free shipping discount code or something similar. It depends on the product you're selling. And what kind of ads to show to the people who purchased? Of course, you should show them thank you ad. It's always good to show them that you care about them, that you're really grateful for the purchase. But also you can use this kind of advertising to cross-sell ads. So for example, if you're selling a t-shirt, you can start advertising, let's say belt or sweatshirt or something different. Also, if your delivery time takes about 5 to 7 days, after let's say 9 days, you can show them ads with asking of review of the product. And also after some time, let's say after 2 weeks, you want to show them new arrivals. So new products in your store, if they purchase one time, they might be more willing to purchase another time. So it's the finish of the presentation. Now let's go to the account. So this is how it look. Those ads run from 1st of June 2018, still alive. And as you can see, the results are pretty good. 12 ROAS 12. Let's go into the remarketing. As you can see, the biggest ROAS we have with the discount code. It's in Polish, sorry. So 5% of discount. We don't have a lot of purchase here, but the ROAS is pretty the best, 127. Here we have the biggest amount of purchases. So people who view product page, in the last 30 days, but didn't add to cart or didn't purchase. Here we have people who view last 5 days, and here we have the same as this one, but we have an extra budget here. I didn't turn off this campaign. Maybe this and this one is overlapped, but as long as those two campaigns have good ROAS, I won't turn off the first one, which have smaller budget. As I mentioned, we sell furniture. So for example, ads look like this. It's nothing extraordinary. Here we have the product page. It's not the best product here. There's a lot of nice furniture, but the Facebook shows not the best ones, sorry. And here is the info about the discount code and link straight to the basket. This store is not on the Shopify, so that's why I put the link to the basket in the ad description. Yeah, and actually that's all. If you have questions, just drop them in the comment, and I will try to answer. Bye bye.